Hey guys, here's part 2 of homemade squishies. This one I said it feels like foam or something, or another squishy in here. I might rip these open to actually find out what's in here in the end of these parts. This one, let's see. Just saying, if this is like an ASMR video for you, a warning, it's gonna be loud. Oh, I look like this one. Hurts my fingers though, but not that bad. I don't know, I feel like these are beads, and they even have holes in it. These feel like beads. I think there are beads in here. I don't know. What the? This looks like air in it. Let's see. Ready? And there's like air in it. Oh. What is this? Is this kinetic sand? If this stays in place, it's sand. No, what's the... Doesn't it sound like kinetic sand? I have no clue what this is, but when I cut these open, this is going to be a part of the mystery one, because I do not know. I'll just keep that on that side. Here, let's see. This one. Okay, this one's kinetic sand. Yeah, it stays in place. I like this one. We have 3 more to go. Oh, we have this blue one. Oh my gosh, it's about to pop up. So I'm a little scared if this makes a mess. What is that, guys? Oh, it's water. Yeah, it's water. If I like, I'm a little scared. But yeah, this one's water. Wait for